Hello children, welcome to our channel. My name is Rashi and this video is a continuation video of our examples of chapter 2. The name of the chapter is Linear Equations in One Variable, and we have done examples from 1 to example 12. Okay, so in this video we will be starting with our example number 13, and example number 13 is on page number 29 of our NCERT book. Alright, so example number 13 says solve, and the equation is 5x plus 7 upon 2 equals to 3 upon 2x minus 14. Okay, so this is our equation and we have to solve for the value of x. Now we can see the variable is on the both sides of the equation, and when we see variable on both sides we transpose it on the one side, and on the other side we have all the constant terms. In this question also we will transpose the variable terms on one side. 5x is a variable term and 3x upon 2 we will transpose now. So 3x upon 2 was positive, now it will become negative. Minus 3 upon 2x equals to minus 14 as it is, and 7 upon 2 is positive. So it will become negative now. Minus 7 upon 2. Okay. Now this is upon 1 and this is also upon 1. Now LCM of 1 and 2 is 2. Okay. So this will be into 2 into 2. This will be into 1 into 1. So 10x minus 3x equals to again upon 2. 1 and 2 LCM again 2. Now into 2 into 2 into 1 into 1. So this will be 14 2s are 28 minus 7. Alright. Now 10x minus 3x is 7x upon 2 equals to 28 minus 7 is 21 upon 2. So now we have 7 upon 2 x equals to 21 upon 2. Now 2 is in division. So after transposing it will become in multiplication. 2x upon 2 into 2 and 2 se 2 cut. Now x equals to 21 upon 7, because 7 was in multiplication with x, so when we will transpose it, it will become in division. So 7 3s are 21. Now the value of x comes out to be 3. Okay. So the value of x is 3. So this was the example number 13 of Student, one mistake we have done in this question, and that mistake is in this step. What is the mistake? We have written 28, but this is minus 28 because this is minus 14. Okay. So this is minus 28 minus 7. Now minus minus is plus. So 8 plus 7 is 15, 1 carry, minus 35 upon 2, and this is 7x upon 2. Okay, so now 7x upon 2 equals to minus 35 upon 2. So now 2 is in division. So now here it will be in multiplication. So 2 se 2 cut. Now the value of x is minus 35 upon 7. 7 5s are 35. So the value of x comes out to be minus 5 and not 3. Okay, the value of x comes out to be minus 5. So this was our example number 13 of chapter 2. Now let's come to the next example. Example number 14. Example 14 is on page number 30. The question says the digits of a two-digit number differ by 3. If the digits are interchanged, and the resulting number is added to the original number, we get 143. What can be the original number? So this type of question we have done in our exercise also. The digits of a two-digit number differ by 3. Suppose we have a two-digit number, so उनकी जो digits हैं that differ by 3. मतलब उनको subtract करके हमारे पास आता है 3. If the digits are interchanged, now we have to interchange the digits. But first we will write the original digit, then we will write the interchange digit. So let one digit be x. Now we don't know ये x कौन सी digit है, tens place पे है या ones place पे है, but we know that एक digit इसमें से है x. So the other digit will be x plus 3y, because the difference of both of them is 3. ठीक है, like suppose we have one is 9 and the other is 6, so 9 minus 6 हो गया 3. तो अगर एक 6 है तो दूसरा 6 plus 3 9 होगा. ठीक है, so it means that if one is x, so the other will be x plus 3. Why? Because the difference is 3. Now one digit is x, the other digit is 3. So original number क्या होगा? Original number will be, we know the format, 10 into tens place digit plus unit place digit. Okay, so 10 into, अब हम tens place पे किसी को भी ले सकते हैं. Let's take x. 10 into x plus x plus 3. So this will be 10x plus x plus 3. 10x plus x is 11x plus 3. So this is our original number now. And now the interchange number will be, interchanging the digits means जो भी हमने tens place पे लिया था अब वो हम ones place पे लेंगे. Okay, and जो भी हमने unit place पे लिया था, now it will be taken to the tens place. So our interchange number is 10 into x plus 3 plus x. Okay, first we took x in the tens place, now we are taking x in the units place. So 10x plus 30 plus x. So 11x plus 30. This is our interchange number. 11x plus 3 is our original number and 11x plus 30 is our interchange number. Now the question says, if the digits are interchanged and the resulting number is added to the original number, मतलब इन दोनों को add करके we will get 143 now. So 11x plus 3 plus 11x plus 30 will give us 143. 11x plus 11x is 22x plus 33 will give us 143. Now in order to find the value of x, first we will transpose 33, then we will transpose 22. So 22x equals to 143 minus 33. This will be 110. 22x equals to 110. So the value of x comes out to be 110 upon 22. 11 tens are 11 twos are 5s are. So the value of x comes out to be 5. Now x was one digit of the original number. Original number की एक digit है 5. Okay. Let's do it here now. One digit is 5. Other digit is 5 plus 3, that is 8. Okay. So the number can be either 58 or 85 because दोनों डिफर कर रहे हैं 3 से. तो पहले 5 आए फिर 8 आए या फिर पहले 8 आए फिर 5 आए, doesn't matter. The number can be either 58 or 85. डिफर तो दोनों ही 3 से कर रहे हैं. Okay. So this was our example number 14. This was our example number 14 of chapter number 2. Now, example number 15 we'll be discussing in our next video. Till then, practice all the questions, and if you have any problem, you can comment in our comment section below. Till then, stay tuned for my next video, example number 15 to 19. Thank you.